Hi, Lisa, I'm at high school. My name is Jamie Volker, and I am the instructor of the IB Sports Science class. Just want to talk you through a couple things here real fast. First off, you'll see in the course guide that IB Sports Science can be taken by juniors and seniors. It's in the IB program. You will note that if you pass both semesters of IB Sports Science, it does count as your health credit, okay? So if you are an incoming freshman and you're thinking about pursuing the IB diploma or taking many IB classes, you might want to consider not taking health until you have figured out if you're going to be in the IB Sports Science class. Also, another thing to remember is that you don't dress out for this class. It is an academic class, so it does not count for your credits to graduate from high school as far as it being a PE credit. It is very much an academic class, okay? And then we can scroll down here, and again, I'm going to encourage you, if you have questions, to check the course guide first. It's going to answer quite a few of your questions for you. But here is the class right now listed. Again, it is year-long. It is weighted 1.0. It is for juniors and seniors. And you are going to get a Group 4 Science in IB parlance, and you are going to get a good science and health background if you are going into the health field, and some hands-on science type of experiments and so forth to go ahead and strengthen those kinds of skills. We're going to move over to my syllabus here real fast so you can kind of look at what the course is. The course emphasizes. You will have a review of anatomy, okay, and that this is a much smaller review of anatomy than our anatomy class that Mr. Martin teaches. You'll have exercise physiology, which also Mr. Martin does teach in the sports or in his anatomy class. It's more of a quicker run through that stuff. You will see the energy systems, which is very biochem based. Movement analysis, it takes physics and adds it into the science of movement. Skill in sport is thinking about how people learn a skill. And the measurement and evaluations is an introduction to statistical analysis, which is good, and it's part of the IA. I would say to you, if you have any questions, again, I am Mrs. Volker, come find me and ask those questions so you can get those answered. Okay, thanks, bye.